Should a roof replacement really take a week or more to do? Hi everybody, this is Tracy Bookman, owner of Homestead Roofing, and welcome to another Walk in the Park video where we take just a few minutes to answer your questions about roof repairs, roof replacements, and the insurance claim process. Today we're going to answer the question, how long does a roof replacement take? Just like with so many other questions that are asked about construction projects or restoration projects, this one really comes down to it depends. And the reason for that is because it depends on how big your roof is, how easy the access is to get to it. Can the materials be loaded on the roof, or do they have to be dropped on the ground and then carried up to the roof? Can the crew get a dump trailer close to the house so they don't have to carry trash all the way around? Is it high roof? Is it a steep roof? Are there a lot of facets? Lots of different angles, lots of different cuts. So let's just give you some just general rules of thumb to kind of think through when you're about to have your roof replaced. If it's just a very simple roof, like this one, then in most cases, most roofing contractors are going to be able to get that done in one day. Another factor that could come into play is, does your local inspecting authority require a mid-roof inspection? So for example, there are areas around our market that require a mid-roof inspection. They want to be able to see if the underlayment was installed correctly. And so we have to do the tear off, install all the underlayment, and then call in for a mid-roof inspection. So that means that there's an extra day added to the project while we come off the roof, wait for the next day for the inspector to do his inspection, then we have to go back. So it may be just a simple one-day project under normal circumstances, but if there's a mid-roof inspection, that turns it into a 3-day project. But under normal circumstances, a house like that would take one day. Now, like I said before, the more variables that get added into this, the more that's going to affect how long it's going to take. One other factor that is a variable is how many crew members does your roofing contractor have access to be able to do the work. If he's showing up and he's only got a couple of guys, then it's going to take him a lot longer than if he has 8 guys. Now let's go to the opposite end of the spectrum and let's talk about a gigantomeganormous roof like this one. You can see it is complex, right? It's a complex roof. It's got lots of angles, lots of cuts. The other thing is that the majority of this roof could not be roof loaded. The guys had to hand carry the shingles to the roof, and they couldn't just park a trailer in the driveway and move all of the materials off the roof and throw it into the trailer. They had to actually drop it to the ground and then carry it all the way around the house. So a house like this one, again, depending on how big the crew is, may take 5 business days, maybe 7 business days. Now there is one other thing among the many that we've already mentioned that will affect how fast the roof replacement goes. Does the roofing contractor need to install new decking as part of the re-roof project? So the decking is just the wood sheets that lay down on top of the rafters or the trusses that the shingles nail to. If those have to be replaced, or if new decking has to be installed, that's going to add a considerable amount of time to the project. Best thing that you can do, in summary, is to talk to your roofing contractor ahead of time. Make sure that your contractor gives you a realistic timetable for how long he or she expects the project is going to take to get it to completion. If you've got that information ahead of time, it's going to avoid there being any surprises for you or any of the other parties that are involved, and it will make for a much happier project for you. If you've got any questions about this topic or any other topic, please call our office phone number right up here, 719-433 6991. You can also visit our website right down here, homesteadroofingcolorado.com. We've got a ton of information out there, lots of other educational videos for you. If this video has been helpful for you, please give us the big thumbs up. And also, if you've got questions, leave those in the comments section down below. We read and respond to all questions that we get on our videos. We'd love it if you'd subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon up there so that way you get notified when we've got new videos. And until our next Walk in the Park video, I'm Tracy Bookman, owner of Homestead Roofing.